Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to run ads for clothing brands, the exact ad strategy that we use to get all those numbers. And also, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where we have helped more than 70 plus clothing brands scale from making $0 a month to making consistent six figures. This key for taking 10 plus brands and scale them from zero to six figures. If you guys are interested in that, just share a call with us down below and we can see what we can do for you. But without further ado, let's just get started with the video. Also, if you want this video to be 100% knowledgeable for you, you have to stay till the end and watch this video and like take notes on everything I tell you. Like if I tell you this, do this. If I tell you this, do this. So let's get started with the video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to run meta ads for clothing brands. Like this video is for beginners. If you guys have never hopped on meta ads before, in this video I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do in order to get sales for your brand. Alright, so the first thing you have to talk about before you even start running ads, you need to ask yourself this question: is your product good enough? Like if you're scrolling on Instagram, then you saw your product, will you buy it? That's the number one question to ask yourself. What I want you guys to know is that ads are not that savior type of shit that you just run and you just start printing for your brand. Like you have to have a good product. Make sure your creatives are good, like good content. If you guys want me to record a video on the creatives that work, like just let me know in the comment section. I'll just show you videos down below. Let's get straight to work. You gotta save yourself all of this hassle. Like if you're working with us, everything we do it for you guys. So before you start running ads, you have to make sure your product is good enough. You have good content, your website, a good website that converts like crazy, and also are you getting enough organic traction? Because ads are not just that simple shit. When you run them, they print. Like no, you have to have good systems behind your brand, your automations, SMS marketing, all of that stuff, so that you can nurture the customers. Alright, so let's say if you're watching this video, you already have your business portfolio and everything, your ads manager, all of that stuff. Like you already have it set, so you're just waiting to learn how to run the ads. Alright guys, so I'm gonna hop on the ads manager right now. As you can see, we're in the ads manager right now, and this is one of the brands that I'm working with personally. As you can see, we spent $30 to make back $93,000 for this brand. Alright, so let me hop on a new fresh ad account. Alright, so after you have hopped on the ads manager, the first thing you want to do is you'll see a green button right here that says create. Then you press on it. Choose a campaign objective. What you want to choose if you want to get sales is user sales, because you want to run ads that are targeted to find people who are likely to purchase your product or service. Like don't go with traffic. This is to send people to your destination, such as your website app profile. Like it's for traffic. If you want to get traffic to your site, or like this shit is just for engagement, the traffic, the awareness, all that stuff, go with sales. Alright, so wait, let me keep this shit right here. Alright, so what you want to name it, what I personally name mine is Flows Prospecting. You choose Flows Prospecting. Like this is just for testing creative. Like any creative that you have to put it through the prospecting and see if it performs. Then you can scale it. If it performs, if it doesn't, then you can just kill the ad. Advantage catalog plus, keep it off, and you can just leave it as campaign budget for now. Then alright, so the budget, personally what I recommend for you guys is 30 to 50, nothing lower than that. If you have the budget, you can go a little bit higher. A lot of mistakes I see a lot of you guys make is you're spending pretty low, like $10 a day. No, that's not gonna help you. You need to have a good budget, like 50 budget for example. Like that's the minimum that you can start with. Alright, so let's put it at 50. A/B testing off for now. Leave these things like this. Then you go here. What you want to do is name this broad pack 1, because this is the first pack of creative that you're gonna put. Alright, so website destination, websites, don't touch this. If it like mine, then also this don't touch it. Personally, I leave mine at Advantage Plus on, but if you want, you can switch setup. For example, you're a streetwear brand, and usually the age demographic for streetwear brands are 18 to 30. Just like take your time and find what works for your products. Like take your time and see who buys your product, then you can judge out of that. But personally, I leave it at Advantage Plus because I just like sometimes to leave Meta to do the work for me. But and also if you choose the age, remove this button, remove this right here, because it's just Meta trying to make you use the Advantage Plus. Remove this. All genders, then custom audiences, none, detail targeting, all. Like this is a testing campaign. You haven't scaled yet. When you have the winning creative, you can make different campaigns and target different audiences and all that stuff. Personally, I leave Advantage placements on, like leave all of this stuff on, because if you're scared of Meta spending the budget on Facebook, they are not going to spend the budget on Facebook. Because for example, streetwear brands, like 90% of the people who buy streetwear clothes are from Instagram. So Meta are going to spend everything on Instagram. Meta Meta is smarter than you, so don't try to do the work for them. Sometimes you have to let Meta do the work by itself. Alright, so Advantage Plus on, but if you want you can switch to Instagram, but I don't really, because even if you let it at Advantage Plus, the most it's gonna spend in Facebook is $5 to $10, like that's all. So leave it Advantage Plus. Then what you want to do is, let's say add one. I'm gonna write add one here because the first ad that you're gonna test. For this I'm gonna use my brand like Van.us. Alright, so the first thing I want you guys to do is have 5 creatives. Like don't have more than 5 in the beginning, like have 5 creatives in the beginning. Since your budget is not that high, 5 creative, let them run for 3 days to 4 days. Like if they perform, keep them on. If they don't perform, turn them off. That's literally all. Also, don't make emotional decisions. Like when you're running ads, don't make emotional decisions. Like make data-driven decisions, not emotional decisions. You have to forget about the money and just make decisions based on the data that Meta shows you. And that's true. Like click-through rate, I'm going to tell you all of that at the end of the video, but the website destination should be your website. Then for example, if you have one product, alright, so guys, this is the website as you guys can see, but personally I use the catalog, like the collection, then copy it and just paste it right here. But if you want to focus on the product, like it doesn't really matter, you can just choose it through here, go with it, then post it right here. That's all. Turn this off, like don't listen to Meta, turn this off, leave everything the way it is, then you can choose. Alright, so let me show you this first. Single image is a single image, like no carousel. Carousel is like you can have many pictures that people can swipe through, like slides and all that stuff. But single image is one image. Like for example, this is a single image, it's only one single photo in the ad or video. Alright, so also there's existing posts. If you want to use the content that you have posted before, let's go with it right now. Let's say you want to use this one, then you select it. Like that's literally all. Call to action is supposed to be shop now, because you want people to come and buy your product. You should use it as shop now. Also put the website right here. What I personally do is I turn this on, then turn it off. Like it's just Meta trying to make you use some stuff right here. Like turn everything off, like just turn this on, then off, then everything will go off. I don't really have a pixel right here, but you can select the pixel if you want. Also, one thing I forgot to add is you want to use website, maximize number of conversions. Then also the data set should be your data set right here, your pixel. Then your focus will be purchases, not add to cart, not anything like that. Purchases should be your main focus. Alright, so let me give you guys an example of good primary text. Personally, what I've realized is that you don't need any crazy primary text, all this AI type of stuff. Simple primary text is okay for you. Personally, I go out now. Then if you have an offer, you can go, maybe let's see, pre-Black Friday sale, since it's Q4 right now, 30% off all limited stock right here. Doesn't really matter, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Personally, when I'm running ads, I want the product to be speaking for itself. What you want to do after you have made one complete ad is then you press on duplicate, then just 4, then you duplicate them, and you add your creatives. Like I told you guys, 5 creatives is the sweet spot to start with. You just make different ads, like add 1, add 3, just change the pictures like that. So keep changing the creatives, all of that stuff. After you have done all of this stuff, then the next thing you want to do is let them run for 3 days. After the 3 days, then you check if the creatives are performing. Like after a creative has spent 50 and no purchase, like you can turn it off. But depends on your average order value. Depends, like don't judge based on the campaign level, but judge based on the ad. Like if the ad spent like 50 and still no purchase, like the cost per article is shit, like maybe it's like 10 or 15, turn it off. Check the CTR, everything like that. And also after you have tested these 5 creatives, they are performing, then you can duplicate it. The ads that are performing, you can duplicate it, add it to another campaign, give it $100 budget, the ones that are performing. So if you guys would be interested in working with me one-on-one, just schedule a call down below and let's get straight to work. Like I'm gonna do everything for you from A to Z. The exact ad strategy I use for my clients that we're printing good numbers, the email marketing, SMS marketing, we do all that stuff. Like all of your backend stuff, we'll handle your websites, like we do your website, all of that stuff. So if you guys would be interested in that, just schedule a call with us down below and let's get straight to work. And also, if you have any questions about ads or anything about clothing brand related, hit me up on Instagram, Abdullah Badru. That's all. So peace.